Good morning mga kadyosa. Ay nako. Ako'y nagugutom kaya bababa kami ni Jowa para kumuha ng breakfast. Yes. Huwag sayangin ang mga privilege ng hotel. Kunin lahat, diba? Ay nako, magwa-walking kami ng konti later. Ang lamig dito, grabe. Kuha tayo ng breakfast. Oh. Ito yung breakfast na nakuha ko. Yes! Kay Jowa ang dami. Kain-kain tayong breakfast. Kay Jowa ko. Kinuha ko siya ng muffins. Magwa-walking kami ni Jowa. Tatagtagin namin yung kinain naming breakfast. Maganda yung hotel. Yes. Let's start walking. Ooh, init. Kami tatawid. Baka kami maligaw. Kailangan meron kaming mapa.
Let's cross.
Alam nyo naman kaming magjowa, lagi kaming naliligaw. Walking tayo mga kadyosa. Pupunta kami ng Cracker Barrel. How many minutes, my love? 24? 24 minutes. Hindi kami kakain. Nakakain lang namin ng breakfast. Hanggang doon lang ang aming lalakarin. Kasi, kailangan makabalik kami. Alam nyo na, maliligo pa ulit ako. Dahil manonood kami ng baseball tonight. Pipila kami ng mas maaga para makakuha kami ng free cup. Yes. Eh, dalawa kami ni Jowa. Tig-isa kami.
Today's jersey.
Ay, ha?
Today's jersey.
Ah, jersey pala. Akala ko
Next week
cup.
is cap.
Next week is cup. Okay. Kasi nga,
Ellen, no sidewalk here.
pag uwi namin, magpapahinga lang kami doon. Babalik kami, pero sa Maryland. Right, my love? Next week, Maryland?
Washington.
Washington.
This is Maryland.
What?
Is this wet?
Yes. I don't want here, my love.
Ellen, the road is there.
The grass is wet.
There's no sidewalk.
But I'm facing the traffic. I don't want to go home without my shoes. Barefoot already? No way. Papa-English tuloy ako nito eh. Wala nga namang sidewalk. Pero may damo. Basa naman. Mababasa ang aking shoes. Water, my love, please.
Grab the handkerchief.
My love. Nakita niyo yung Cracker Barrel? Papasok kami doon pero hindi kami bibili. Papasok lang. There, let's go my love. Okay, Cracker Barrel. Let's see what's inside. Nakapasok na ako dati rito eh.
Taylor took it down the beach for a week. I gotta get pictures in front of it. I'll be smiling.
jowa.
people paying their
Yes!
lunches.
Bumili ako ng aking jowa. Yes! Nice! Yes! Paying time!
And to go for Deanna, to go for Deanna P. Please pick your order up at the cash stand.
Babayad mo na ang aking jowa. Gastos is life.
Hi, boys.
Success!
Rims built. Upgrade.
Upper barrel.
17 years old.
Yes! Let me put the chocolate.
Wrap it around your t-shirt.
Yeah.
Is there a receipt in there?
Yeah.
Hi, we would like to welcome the following party. Cassie, party of 5, and Louis, party of 4. Your tables are available.
I don't necessarily.
Oh, they give the discount.
Oh my God. Pabalik na kami. Success! Sabi ko hindi kami bibili eh. I lied. Pinagpawisan kami, napagod eh, di bumili, di ba? When I told you, I saw no recording. It's a good thing I saw it. But I closed the recording. I need to wait for the sign before I can record. I hope I remember. Nakarating din kami. Ang init. Grabe. Ginutom sa walking. Habang si jowa ay namamlansya. Bakasyon ko ngayon. Kumuha ako ng maraming breakfast. Pero hindi ko kinain. Ngayon, ito lunch ko. Shredded chicken with spinach. At saka yung itlog na kinuha ko kaninang umaga. Nagutom ako sa walking. Jowa mamaya pa yung kakain. Pahinga dahil bandang alas 4 kami gogora na naman. Manonood kami ng baseball. Sasama kayo! Nakatapos na mamlansya jowa ko habang ako'y nagpapasarap siya yung namamlansya. Ang sarap! Ready na. Kami lalaboy na ng aking jowa. Ang aking team ay Baltimore Orioles. Diba? Bonggang-bongga. With matching earrings. O, diba? Gawa ko lang yan. Outfit check. Si Jowa, Yankee. Yes. Let's go, my love. Ayokong gumamit ng elevator. Nasa second floor naman kami, kaya pwedeng lumakad. Tingnan natin kung sino ang mananalo. Well, ang jowa ko ay Orioles. Ngayon lang araw na i-text. Kasi walang laban ang kanyang Yankee. We're back, mga ka-Diyosa. Antok na antok ako. Grabe. Talo ang aming team ni Jowa. May balat ang aking jowa. Ayaw niya ng Houston. Kasi marami ng panalo yon. Kaya nag-Oriole siya. Kaya nadamay. Ay, good night everyone. See you ulit tomorrow.